Hi, my name is Kineshanko. I'm the Technical Operations Manager for the district in the Public Works Department. We're here today at the Mamquam Municipal Wastewater Treatment Plant, conducting a virtual tour in honor of Public Works Week 2020. I'm standing beside one of the district's 26 sewage lift stations. These lift stations are located all over town, and they're used to convey municipal wastewater from the various subdivisions in Squamish to the municipal wastewater treatment plant, which is located at 39907 Government Road. The district's municipal wastewater treatment plant receives an annual average of 8,000 cubic meters of wastewater a day, or 8 million liters a day, 365 days a year. So the first place wastewater comes when it enters the wastewater treatment plant is the Headworks Building. Inside the Headworks Building, there's two mechanical units. One is a vortex grit separator. It spins wastewater around really quickly, forces grit and other heavy sediment to the outside of that unit where it can settle out. From there, wastewater then flows through a set of 3 millimeter step screens, and the purpose of the screens are to remove unwanted debris that enters the wastewater stream. These are things like fats, oils, and grease, personal hygiene products, floss, this type of thing, food waste, and of course the ominous wipes, the wet wipes. These are things that we absolutely don't want in the waste stream because they plug up the pumps and other mechanical processes that take place beyond this treatment step. Following the Headworks Building, wastewater flows into the secondary treatment process, and this is where the magic happens. Bacterial colonies kept on site in the aeration basin are mixed with incoming wastewater and suspended for several hours. Bacteria consume the organic contaminants in the wastewater. After biological treatment, wastewater flows into the secondary clarifier, where conditions allow the solids and bacterial colonies to settle out. The solids are pumped back into the wastewater stream to treat incoming wastewater and or wasted to the solids handling process. Clarified water from the secondary clarifier flows over the weir and into the ultraviolet disinfection process before final discharge to the swamp. All right, now we're standing in front of our solids handling building, and this is the second half of the wastewater treatment process. So solids that settle out of the wastewater, the bacterial colonies and other materials, are pumped into this building. Inside this building, there is a dissolved air flotation unit and a set of centrifuges. And the purpose of that equipment is to remove water from the biosolids. Biosolids leaving the clarifier are about 1% solid by volume. By the time they've gone through this building, through the dissolved air flotation unit and the centrifuges, there's a polymer added to the waste stream, and the solids content is increased, and therefore the water content decreased from about 1% to 4% in the DAF, and then 4% to 22% solids with the centrifuges. And the purpose of this is to make the material much like a cake, so we call it a biosolid cake. And that material is trucked to a compost facility in Callahan Valley, where it is further composted to become a Class A biosolids as regulated by BC Organic Matter Recycling Regulation. And this product can be put to beneficial reuse in landscaping, gardens, and lawns. The last step in the municipal wastewater treatment process for the water side of things is UV disinfection. So water that flows over the weirs in the secondary clarifier flows by gravity into our UV treatment process, where inside the channel in the UV unit are a set of ultraviolet bulbs that produce radiation at a specific wavelength that destroys pathogens, any remaining pathogens in the wastewater before it's discharged into the Squamish River. Thank you for watching our Public Works Week 2020 celebration virtual tour of the district's wastewater treatment plant. Here at the District of Squamish, we're very proud of our Public Works team, and we really enjoy our annual celebration. We're disappointed that due to COVID-19, we weren't able to have the community on site this year. We're hoping next year we can bring everybody back. Thanks again, and take care.